What if I told you that you could start a business today, have Amazon do most of the work for you, and make thousands of dollars every month, even while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% real, and thousands of people are doing it right now. Welcome to InvestoSphere. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Amazon FBA in 2025. From finding profitable products to scaling your business, I'll cover everything you need to know to get started. What you'll learn in this video: how Amazon FBA works in 2025, the best products to sell for maximum profit, how to find reliable suppliers, the secret marketing strategies big sellers use, how to scale and automate your Amazon FBA business. So stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a secret strategy to boost your sales and dominate the market. Part 1. What is Amazon FBA and how it works? What is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a business model where you send your products to Amazon's warehouse, and they handle storage, shipping, and customer service for you. It allows you to focus on selling, while Amazon does the hard work. How it works: you find a product to sell. You order inventory from a supplier. You send the inventory to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon lists your product on their marketplace. Customers order your product, and Amazon ships it for you. You earn money while Amazon handles everything. If you could start selling any product right now, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. Part 2. Finding the best products to sell. What makes a product profitable? High demand, low competition. Small and lightweight to reduce shipping costs. High profit margins, at least 30 to 50%. Solves a real problem. Best product categories for Amazon FBA in 2025. Home and kitchen, health and wellness, pet products, smart gadgets, eco-friendly products, tools for product research, Jungle Scout, Helium 10, MZ Scout, find profitable products. Google Trends, check product demand. Amazon bestsellers, see trending products. Have you ever bought something on Amazon that you thought could be a great product to sell? Tell me in the comments. Part 3. How to find reliable suppliers. Where to find the best suppliers. Alibaba, best for bulk products from China. AliExpress, good for testing small orders. US-based suppliers, faster shipping, higher quality. Print on demand, no inventory needed, great for custom products. How to contact suppliers and negotiate prices. Ask for samples before placing a bulk order. Negotiate pricing and request bulk discounts. Ensure they can handle large orders if your product takes off. Would you rather work with a local supplier or go international for better pricing? Let me know in the comments. Part 4. Listing and optimizing your product on Amazon. How to create a winning Amazon listing. Title: use keywords to rank higher in Amazon search results. Images: high quality, professional images increase sales. Bullet points: highlight key features and benefits. Price strategy: start competitive, then raise once you get reviews. Amazon SEO and ranking hacks: use long-tail keywords in the product title. Offer limited-time discounts to boost early sales. Encourage buyers to leave genuine reviews for credibility. What's the first thing you look at when buying something on Amazon? Price or reviews? Part 5. Scaling and automating your Amazon business. How to scale your Amazon FBA business. Expand your product line. Find new winning products. Run PPC ads. Boost your listings with Amazon ads. Leverage influencer marketing. Get YouTubers and TikTokers to review your product. Automate with virtual assistants, VAs. Outsource tasks like customer service and marketing. What would be your first hire for your Amazon business? A marketing expert or a customer support VA? Now that you know how to make money with Amazon FBA in 2025, it's time to take action. Here's your next step. Choose a product niche. Research suppliers and find your first product. Start your first Amazon listing and optimize it for sales. Before you go, answer this in the comments. What's stopping you from starting an Amazon FBA business today? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Comment below with your thoughts and questions. And don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more ways to make money online.